Look, corruption isn't just some dirty secret. It's a cancer eating away at everything you're trying to build. It's the reason talent gets crushed under politics, deals get skewed by greed, and real progress gets strangled. You know the feeling. Busting your ass, watching others cheat their way ahead, feeling stuck while the system rewards shortcuts and connections, not skill or grit. It's infuriating. You want a world where what you deliver matters, where results speak louder than resumes, but everywhere you look, the system spits in your face and says, "Not so fast." This exact frustration is why meritocracy isn't just an ideal. It's the only way forward. But here's the brutal truth. Meritocracy itself can't fix corruption forever. At least not like most people think. Why? Because meritocracy isn't a magic wand you wave to make corruption disappear. The problem isn't the idea of merit. It's how fragile the systems claiming to be meritocratic are, and how sneaky corruption can be, twisting rules and standards to protect insiders. You can have a merit-based company or country on paper, yet underneath, deals happen in shadows. Favoritism rules quietly, and the powerful shield their privileges behind fake metrics and token gestures of fairness. The system becomes meritocratic only for those already inside the club, and everyone else is left outside the door, grinding in silence. So if meritocracy can be corrupted, how do you fight back? How do you make sure that what wins is actually skill, hard work, and results, and not influence, lies, or luck? Step 1. Strip everything down to total transparency, not the fake kind that looks good on paper or social media. Real transparency means every decision, every resource allocation, every promotion is visible, challengeable, and traceable by anyone who has skin in the game. No more secret deals, no more backdoor agreements. Make it so clear that cheating isn't just risky, it's visible and costly. You have to force systems to answer not to politicians or bosses, but to results and verification from the whole network of contributors. It's brutal and demanding, but without this level of openness, meritocracy is just a front. Step 2. Build feedback loops that bite hard and fast. Everyone in a network, a company, or a society must be able to call out corruption, bias, and incompetence without fearing reprisal. But this has to go beyond usual whistleblower programs that get buried or ignored. Design mechanisms where ignoring complaints destroys credibility faster than any scandal. This means incentives aligned so that people who expose corruption win, not lose. And those who try to defend shady behavior get cut off from trust and influence immediately. No exceptions, no delays. Step 3. Constantly re-earn trust and status. Merit isn't static. If someone earned power or money years ago but stops delivering, their position must weaken. Systems, companies, and communities have to force continuous validation of value. This pressure keeps corruption from settling in, because the moment you rest on your laurels, someone else will take your spot. It's harsh, but fairness demands it. If power hangs indefinitely on old merit, corruption creeps back through complacency. Step 4. Cultivate brutal individual responsibility and fierce cooperation at the same time. Corruption survives where scapegoating and blame shifting happen, where people look out only for themselves or rely too much on the group without delivering. So demand absolute accountability from every single person. Everyone pulls their weight, no free riders, no excuses. But at the same time, build strong bonds across your network that resist corruption by being relentless in support, mentorship, and mutual challenge. Corruption feeds on isolation. Hyper-connected, complementary teams kill it. This is why the real meritocracy you need isn't just about rules. It's about creating ecosystems where transparency, accountability, dynamic trust, and deep cooperation fuse into a self-correcting machine. You won't get that overnight, and you definitely won't get there by waiting for politicians or institutions to fix things. You have to build it with your own hands, eyes wide open, constantly pushing, pruning, and demanding more. If you're tired of watching talent wasted and values sold, this is your fight, and the tools to win it are sharper than ever. Cut through the noise, refuse the fake games, and build meritocracy that no corruption can survive. This isn't just possible, it's necessary, and it's yours to claim. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.